Hi, this is Nayan Kolar from Bengal College of Engineering and Technology, ECE department. Today we will perform experiment number 4. This is the circuit representation of a 2 to 4 line decoder circuit. We are using a NOT gate and a AND gate IC to represent this circuit. We have 2 inputs and 4 outputs. The truth table is displayed here. So you can see the corresponding pin numbers are displayed. So as per truth table, when the value of A0 and A1 is 0, 0, we have D0 at output. When it is 0, 1, we have D1 at output. When the value is 1, 0, then we have D2 at output. And when the value is 1, 1, we have D3 at output. We are using circuit maker to simulate this circuit. So that was the circuit simulation for a 2 to 4 line decoder circuit. Thank you. So far we have simulated this 2 to 4 line decoder circuit in circuit maker. Now we want to implement this circuit in actual lab environment, that is with digital breadboard system. As you can see that I have already built this circuit on a breadboard, but to build this circuit I will guide you step by step how to actually build the circuit in a digital breadboard system. So if you look at the circuit diagram carefully, you can see that we are using a 7408 IC that have 4 AND gate. Now if you look here, that we can see that the pin number 1 and pin number 4 is shorted. So we have done the same thing in our digital breadboard system. So this is our AND gate IC. First we provide VCC at pin number 14 and ground at pin number 7. Then we connect pin number 1 and pin number 4. So pin number 1 and pin number 4 is shorted. Then we see that pin number 2 and pin number 9 is shorted. So we connect pin number 2 and pin number 9, which is shorted. Then we have pin 5 and pin number 13 is shorted. So again we short pin number 5 and pin number 13. Then we also have pin number 10 and pin number 12 is shorted. So here we have pin number 10 and pin number 12 that is shorted. So once we done all the connection of AND gate, now we can further move to the connection of NOT gate. So our NOT gate, we are using 7404 IC, which is a NOT gate IC. First we provide VCC and ground to the NOT gate. So pin number 14 is VCC and pin number 7 is ground. Now just see that pin number 2 of NOT gate is connected to pin number 1 of AND gate. So first we connect pin number 2 of NOT gate to pin number 1 of AND gate. Then we have another connection, which is pin number 4 of NOT gate is connected to pin number 2 of AND gate. So here we have pin number 4 of NOT gate is connected to pin number 2 of AND gate. We have another two connections, that is pin number 3 is connected to either pin number 5 of AND gate, or pin number 3 of NOT gate is connected to 13 of AND gate. So here we connect pin number 3 to pin number 13 of AND gate. We have another connection, which is pin number 1 of NOT gate is connected to either 10 or pin number 12 of AND gate. So we connect pin number 1 of NOT gate to pin number 12 of AND gate. Now we have two input, which is A0 and A1. So from this input switch we have connected A0 to pin number 1 of NOT gate. So this is A0, and from here we connect at pin number 3 of NOT gate. So this switch is used for A1. We also have 4 LEDs, which is our output LEDs, which is D0, D1, D2 and D3. So we can see that D0 is connected to pin number 3 of AND gate. So we connect 3 to this LED. So this is our D0. So we connect 3 to anode of this LED. So pin number 3 to here. So this is D0. Again 6 is connected to D1. So from 6 we have connected to D1, which is next LED. Then 8 is connected to D2. So here we have connected 8 is connected to D2, and 11 is connected to D3. So at pin number 11 of AND gate is connected to D3. Now every cathode of these LEDs are connected to ground. So you can see there is a wire that is connected to ground, as from this voltage source we have connected the ground to this line. So this is our ground line. So we provide all the grounds from this line, and I make one wire short to this line from ground, which makes this upper line is ground line. So we connect all the ground of the LEDs from this line. The topmost line is connected to VCC of this battery or our voltage source. So the topmost line is our voltage line or VCC. So we connect all the VCC to from this line. Now if we start our simulation, we can see that at 0 0 our D0 LED will glow. At 0 1 D1 LED will glow. At 1 0 D2 LED will glow, and at 1 1 D3 LED will glow. So this is the breadboard representation or circuit representation of a 2 to 4 line decoder circuit. Thank you for watching this video.